Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And today I've got a very interesting guest with me, Mr. Federico Poli, Group Industry Manager, Biomedical Marposs. And it's good to meet you, Poli, after 6 to 8 months, and good to have you from Bologna, Italy. And it's always good to talk to you. So, how are you? How is life before we start?
So thank you, Dinesh. It's a pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you now. So thank you also for this possibility that you are giving to us, because this is also important for us to be more connected to a lot of people and partners that also your organization used to perform, used to arrange those kind of meeting pretty frequently. So thank you for giving us these important and profitable opportunities. I'm pretty fine. I come back Christmas time in the place where I was born, for sure, and I'm taking these new opportunities. That is a pretty good chance to trying to, let's say, better understand the biomedical market to me. And this is an opportunity also to learn and to better understand the new technical products and technical skills that could be interesting to take some advantages too.
Correct.
I've been relocated in Bentivoglio, where the main headquarters of Marposs is. Okay, this is a incredible opportunity that is helping me to better understand which are the main products that also with this new market we are in condition to propose.
Correct. And change is important. Change keeps thriving. So what has changed? Because I understand a lot of things have changed in your professional system. So like met you last time in Bangalore, you were doing something else, and right now something has changed. I wanted you to let our audience know what has changed. What is your new role? What is the new product portfolio you are taking care of? So what is new, from your side, Pali?
Okay, so when we met last year, that was April 2023, I was responsible. My main responsibility was to better develop the Aerosol products within the Marposs DBs and aim to create new development within some end user or OEM or through some agents or partners distributors. So basically, I was focused only onto the Aerosol products.
Okay.
And now, new responsibility is related to a market that is the biomedical one, in which several and different products are part of this portfolio. Aerosol products are included too in this, let's say, pretty extended market that biomedical is, but also some other different products that are historically partner of the Marposs portfolio.
Okay. And what is the overall, market for biomedical industry for Marposs today? If you want to tell us.
Biomedical market, just a quick note about the market, had been a market that had been changed in several ways, let me say, and in several times at the time of the COVID situation. After the COVID situation, we are seeing a more focused attention to some specific requests by end users and producers related to the quality of the biomedical components. For what concern the position in which Marposs is in condition to propose the specific solution, okay, with Marposs now we have a large portfolio of products that used to cover some components that up to now are the one that had been already requested to be better qualified. But we do not exclude at the moment that new and different products outside of the current Marposs product list could be better understood and qualified.
Okay. And initially, Marposs products were meant for automotive industry, and you are very strong in that industry. So, what is the shift you see, Marposs, getting into biomedical business? So, why is this change? Because the requirement of automotive is very different than biomedical. So, can you let us know how this industry is performing and how the company has changed?
This is a interesting question that should be, let's say, performed to the for sure upper management. But I would think about that in a time in which the hypothetically transition to the EV market is facing for sure, also because the world is going directly to the electrification that is imminent, but in a time in which the electrification is going in a direction maybe not in a totally linear form, Marposs was considering different markets outside of the automotive ones, in
Mhm.
which in which Marposs is in condition to propose a solution that are requested by the markets. The goal, the interesting idea was to understand that those solutions could be used for markets that are updated to now and are markets that require better solution, better qualification with technical
Mhm.
products that are already available. Biomedical is one of those different new markets, but we are we are promoting also several and other different markets outside of the automotive industry, also because Marposs could support a qualification that is, let's say, focused to different range of markets.
Correct. And before coming to India, Poli, biomedical is something which is very important for industry vertical. It saves lives, and quality check testing is very important because uh, small mistake can be fatal, I can say. So what sort of products you are offering in biomedical, which all in biomedical, a lot of things come as per my understanding. So what sort of machine and technology you are having, plus what all in biomedical, what all things Marposs is helping the manufacturers of different products.
The solution that Marposs is in condition to propose for the biomedical market are huge. At least up to now, the main two differences are related to the disposable world
Yes.
and the implants worlds.
Okay.
With the disposable one, we are in condition to promote and to support solution that are specifically for some leak and flow test qualification. That means that every of those components, specifically for the hospital application or specific for some injuries that could happen, are related to the qualification with the leak and the flow test for some qualification for some technical request made by the end user, the final producer. And this is the word, this is the disposable word that is up to now achieving with not more than two specific manufacturing centers within the Marposs family.
Okay.
For what concern the other, let's say, big world of the biomedical solution that Marposs used to cover up to now, okay, because we do not have to forget that maybe in the future we will
Mhm.
be in condition to understand that also new and different products could become part of the current biomedical Marposs portfolio.
Correct.
The second, let's say, big words for what concerns the biomedical solution is well represented by the words of implants.
Mhm.
Implants that are specifically for the dental implant application, okay, so the orthodontic application and the qualification of the external diameter, surface, thickness, different length for what concerns the dental implants, but also for the prosthesis, for the orthopedic application that are needed for the ankle, for the hip joint. So up to now, with the leak and flow test for disposable walls and the different, let's say, qualification solution with related to the implants application, we used to cover a huge contribution of products with our solution. We have also historically a manufacturing center, part of Marposs Group since plus than 15 years, that used to cover, for example, some go, no go qualification, go, no go tests that are in some cases enough to achieve the role of the qualification that the final producer used to ask to our customers.
And Poli, healthcare is important for any country, and India has is now a overall population of 1.4 billion, and biomedical industry is and healthcare is will grow and is growing manyfold. So, how do you see India as a market, and what all is your plans, because you are the man who will be driving the biomedical business. So, what sort of plans you have for India?
So, since from the beginning of January, we were focused to put India as one of the first priority to trying to better develop the biomedical business. Also, the possibility to have this marketing inspection in India as the first one is a demonstration of the trustness that we have at this stage to put our efforts onto the Indian market. Indian market that, as you know better than me, is represented by a large quantity and varieties of regions that could support this market. Okay, we have identified a couple of clusters
Okay.
in which the Pune one on the west side is represented the main one. Okay, for what concerns the biomedical market, we are already partnered, we are already focused to some agents, and we are already focused with some OEM that are helping us to better understand the
Mhm.
biomedical market for India.
Mhm.
And our one of the main goal could be to trying to reinforce this kind of connection, aim
Mhm.
also, first of all, to better understand the regional market that for India is pretty specific regions to regions, but
Mhm.
also to try to find new partner connection that could help us to better promote our solution,
Okay.
because after a specific marketing study of the different regions, we are seeing that there are a lot of different and several producers within the whole India. So that could be the chance to start the active promotion.
And I heard you are coming to India starting this week only. So, what are your plans? What is your schedule? What is your agenda coming to in India? So, what all in your is in your basket? What special you are bringing from Italy?
So I will take the flight tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
so I will be in India within Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Then from I will take an internal flight on Monday, aim to reach Bangalore,
Mm-hmm.
and I will stay in Bangalore for Tuesday, and I
Okay.
will spend the whole Wednesday and Thursday in Pune.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then on Thursday evening, I will fly back to New Delhi, and we'll have the final meeting with my colleagues in New Delhi
Okay.
on Friday next week.
Okay. And my last question, Polly, what because since you are now moved to biomedical healthcare business, which is very demanding, so what motivates you to keep the working? I know some of the people have told me about your discipline and all, and what sort of sports you play to to keep yourself fit, because I know, because now you'll be meeting biomedical, you'll talk about healthcare. So how you keep yourself fit, and B, what motivates you to keep working hard?
Uh, First of all, the trip to India make me better understand the importance of eating vegetables.
Okay.
Joking apart, vegetables is always a good choice for sure. Joking apart, I used to work out frequently. I used to make some jogging, but my main love is represented by volleyball and beach volleyball. Now I'm active only on beach volleyball, but it's helped me for sure. This process helped me to achieve the to, to be every day relaxed to all the stuff that we need to get in contact to. So
Okay.
it's a pleasure to play.
Okay. So, well, yeah, so this time I will tell you it's a very short trip. Next time you should make a longer trip so that you can go to Goa and play, beach volleyball. I heard there are good players, and I'm looking forward to meet you, Polly, in Namma, Bengaluru on maybe Monday evening. And
Yes,
it's always pleasure talking to you, and and I also get a lot of opportunity to learn from you because you cater global market, and I also get a lot of fresh perspective from your side. And very have a great day and a great trip to India. Sell more machines, more solutions to Indian biomedical industry, and looking forward to see you in Nama Bangalore on Monday, Polly. It's namaste from Bangalore, because that is the place where I sit and operate. Looking forward to see you, Polly.
thank you, Dinesh. I hope to see you on Monday evening for sure.
Mhm.
And
Yes.
thank you for this opportunity and for giving us this opportunity to Marposs Group. And namaste to you.
Thank you, Polly.